Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the second week of August reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So let's see how the second week of August is going to be for Cancerians. I will be adding charms, pulling oracle cards, and we will also add some message cards from your person as well. Along with that, we will also pull some color cards to give you additional guidance, which two colors could be lucky for you in this week time. So stay tuned for all of that to come. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs, messages which are resonating with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check the services that I offer as well in the description box. So let's find out how this week is going to be for Cancerians. What can you expect coming up for you for the second week starting today? Let's see. Ten of Wands. I feel like it's gonna be a start of a time for you where you are going to start a new chapter in your life. I feel like something that was bothering you, something that was troubling you, is now behind you. It's more like you are walking forward, leaving the past baggage behind you. You're not going to take any baggage from the past into your current or in your future as well. So I feel like you are definitely putting an end to things, thoughts, patterns, relationships, people who have been bothering you lately, and you are choosing to walk away from it. You are choosing to leave the past behind. For majority of you, I feel like it's more of you walking away from the past which was serving you nothing good, be that past relationship, past patterns, thoughts, whatever it is. It's more like you're choosing to leave it behind because you believe that you deserve something better and you don't want to deal with shit. For some of you, you might be leaving some toxic connections behind, be that in love or otherwise as well. Let's see more messages here. Wow, the Emperor, the Chariot. You're heading forward full speed. I feel like it is more like it's more like you are now in that zone or in that phase of your life where you know what is right and what is wrong for you. You're not going to let people tell you, dictate you, do this, this is going to help you, do that, this is going to be bad for you. So it's more of that time when you are taking the charge of your life and heading forward, without taking pressure from anyone, be that in love, work, home life situation. You are going to make decisions for yourself and you are ready to do so as well. You are taking the charge and you are heading forward. I feel like you will feel very much empowered in this week time, and you would feel as if you have all the control. It's more like it doesn't have to be in your just love life. Maybe you are succeeding in your work front as well, to the point where you're going to feel like you are getting some sort of raise in your work front as well. Maybe you're getting a good salary package now. Maybe your business is expanding to another level as well. But seems like something major, kind of upgradation that you can feel in your life, along with a lot of power that you are going to feel within you around this current situation that you are dealing with. So it's going to be a very magical, empowering week for you, where you are choosing to take charge of your life and not letting people dictate you anything, in love, work, or home life situation. Let's see more cards here. Eight of Pentacles. Wow. You are working towards your goals now, like whatever you want to do, whatever you wanted to pursue, whatever you wanted to have, you are choosing to do that. I feel like for some of you, you might be kind of ending in a toxic connection. You're setting yourself free from that, and that's going to make you feel like how maybe you were depending, you were kind of dependent on that particular person, and now as you pull yourself away from that person, it seems like you're feeling very good about the current situation now. You are going to be more focused on yourself, your own personal needs, demands, and whatever that makes you feel good. So it's going to be more of a time where you are going to be more focused on yourself. Your personal growth, your personal preferences will be your attention. this week time. Let's see more cards here. Lovers, wow. Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. I need the deck. We do have Two of Swords. I feel like, for majority of you, maybe you are leaving a person behind who had you as an option, who had you as a choice, who was not taking you as you are supposed to be taken by that person. Maybe you were giving your all to that person and that person was giving you nothing. So you're choosing to walk away from that situation. You are choosing to leave that person who was treating you like a secondary option. And I feel like, you're going to take stand for yourself and you're going to take charge of your life and move forward. You're not going to let this person take time to decide about you. Do they want you or do they don't want you? Do they want to leave the other person and come to you, or do they want to choose you or their family? You are taking charge and you are choosing to leave them behind. If they cannot choose you, you don't want to wait on for them. So it's more of that situation is what I'm picking up. Even though the decision is not going to be easy, but yes, getting the power and control back in your hand is going to be very important this week time. For majority of you, you would be doing that, even though the decision is not going to be as easy as you would want it to be. But yes, you will find the courage to take that step, to cut a person out of your life who was taking you for granted and who was taking you who is like treating you like an option or a choice for them, which they were not committing, which they were like not giving in to as well. So I feel like you're walking away from that person, that situation, and you are choosing to it's more like you're pulling away from that one person. Wow. Let's see what is the message from your person there. Let's see what is it that they want you to know. I feel like you are taking you are definitely pulling yourself out of that situation. You're leaving that person because they somehow were always treating you bad by putting you on hold for them. I can now feel what I made you go through. Wow. That's exactly what is going to happen to this person now. As you do that, as you pull away from this person, they are now going to understand how they used to make you feel, and that's what they are wanting you to know. They are not feeling good, but yes, it's more like they had to feel that way because they had to taste their own medicine as well. So yeah, let's see what are the oracle messages for you guys. Let's see, Cancerians, what is the oracle guidance for you? Manifesting miracles. Wow. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Whatever you desire in your love life, I'm sure it's not this shit that you are dealing with. So whatever you desire, the ideal situation, the ideal kind of relationship, you are going to manifest that in your life because you have taken the charge of your situation. You have decided for yourself no more shit that you want to deal with. So as you decide, the universe is going to conform the current situation to bring you what you want in your life. I feel like you are going to trust your heart and you are going to know that you are worthy of something beautiful. So you're not going to chase anyone now. You're not going to chase a person. You're not going to let the person treat you like a shit. You really want somebody who's going to value you because that's what you are worthy of. That's what you're worthy of, instead of being treated like an extra in somebody's life. Now you're not going to let that happen, and you're going to follow the guidance that you're getting around the connection, around your love life right now through the heavens. So wow, definitely it's a beautiful energy, beautiful week ahead. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss time together. I feel like for majority of you, I feel like you would want to have somebody in your life who you could have a good time together in this week time. To be very honest, for those of you who are already in a relationship, maybe you will be having some good time with your person. But for majority of you, since this energy seems to be with the gonna be matching the people who are dealing with stressful times in their love life, where they have been treated bad in their love life by their person. But yes, if you are married, if you are having good time with your person, I feel like you are going to be spending some good time with your person in this week time. But for those of you who can match with this energy that I picked up here, it seems like you're gonna be planning to have a person in your life. Or maybe you might be traveling for yourself just to spend some time with yourself, and maybe over there you're going to meet the one that you're destined to be with. So it's more like you're going to be spending some more time with yourself for now, at least, is what I'm picking up. But yes, if you're married, if you have somebody else in your life, and if the energy doesn't matches, maybe you are going to take some time out to spend with your one in this week time as well. So let's see, what else do we have? Let's find out. So we do have actually 3 cards. Let's read all of them. Clear your space, get rid of clutter, clear the energy around you, and use feng shui. It's more like clearing the clutter of bad relationships right now is what I'm picking up. But yes, if you have anything else to clear up the energy from, make sure you do that. Prosperity, your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition. Manifest your dreams into reality. It's going to be a beautiful week to manifest whatever it is that you desire for yourself. It's again the feeling of being empowered, the feeling of being in authority is going to get you all that you want. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. So listen to your inner feeling that you are having right now, because it's going to guide you through the right path forward. Let's see the color cards, and then we're going to take the charms. Let's see which 2 colors could be lucky for you in this week time. Let's see. Yellow, purify your body. Number 22, 22nd of August could be a significant date for you. Yellow color is going to be lucky for you. It's going to be a very good time for you to purify your body from any toxic situation, any toxic relationship, any toxic mentality, any toxic toxins as well. Like, maybe you can have a lot of lemonade or lemon water, or even if you want to if you have no medical conditions which stops you from having lemon or lemonade or having lots of water, you can also light some yellow candles, which is also going to give you very vibrant energy as well. So you can try that as well. Violet, create a balanced life. Number 45. I feel like this week time is going to be the time where you're going to be focusing more on yourself. But yes, make sure you don't indulge into negative thinking when it comes to love life, so you can have a balanced life afterwards. Just heal yourself, take your time, know your worth, and after maybe as you spend some time alone, peaceful, you might find somebody who can be your tribe. So yeah, just try to create a balanced life. Don't overindulge into the business, work, finances situation, or it's always good to have a balanced life. Make sure you have that balance: love, finances, work, yourself, priority. You should prioritize your life in a certain way where you feel like your life is balanced. Let's see what the charms has to add. Let's see. So we do have lots of alphabets here: K, N, E, E, L, D. So these could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. I feel like you are I just see you kind of getting yourself all focused up to your success. You getting attention from people. You don't want to deal with anyone who doesn't value you. You want that value. And how do you get that? By valuing yourself. So I feel like you will be working towards it. For some of you might be traveling to maybe to spend some time alone, maybe to spend some time having fun as well. Maybe you would be, for some of you might be open to have with these alphabets here, maybe since I don't see much people in your life here, but maybe you are open to get to know more people. Maybe you are going to be having some for some of you might be having one night stands as well. If that's what you want to have, you might be having that. So maybe there are going to be a lot of people that you're going to be meeting as well. Maybe you're going to hanging out with lots of people, opening yourself up to meet new people who are going to value you and make you feel like you are worthy of the attention that you would be getting in this week time. So yeah, she believed she could, so she did. Now if and when you start believing in yourself, you know that you can always get what you want. So it's going to be more of that kind of energy that you would be having in this week time. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this beautiful week time. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.